All right, today we're going to review our sight words. So I'm going to help you as we read, spell, and then say the word. Off. O F F off. Take. T A K E. Take. Show. S H O W. Show. Hour. O U R. Hour. Two. T O O. Two. Day. D A Y. Day. All right, now we're going to play I Spy. Let's read the words first, then see if you can find the word before me. Off. To. Are. Take. Show. Day. All right, here we go. Can you find the word to? Here's the word to. How about the word off? Here it is. Off. Try the word day. Here's the word day. How about show? Can you find the word show? It's down in the corner. Let's try the word are. Here's are. And how about the word take? Here's the word take. Great job. All right, friends, the next thing you're going to do is some sight word detective work. Here on this page, wherever you see a question mark, you're going to fill in the letter instead. So the beginning sound for turtle is T. So instead of a question mark, I would put the letter T. You're going to do this for all of the question marks, and that will make all the sight words that we just learned. So once you're finished with this, you can be done. Or you can write a sentence that has one or more sight words in it, and then you could try and draw a picture to match. You might need to do that on a separate piece of paper. There is a second option if you would like. You can do this worksheet instead, or you can do both. This is a word search. What you're going to do is you're going to find your sight words. So I would find the word take. I'm going to look around till I can find it on my board. And once I find it, I'm going to use the rectangles over here to cover it up. So you can use the key here to tell you which color is for which word. So I need to use the red rectangle for the word take. So if I'm looking for the word take, here's the red rectangle. Let's find the word take on our board. T-A-K-E, there it is. So I'm going to drag over my red rectangle and put it over the word take. So you can do that for all of the words on here. And that would be another fun worksheet for you to do. I hope you really enjoy learning and playing with our sight words this week. Keep up the fantastic work. Great job.